Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1006 at Putrajaya Marriott Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, you have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, do not disturb and makeup room switches, together with your various light switches for the room. That is the view that you get as you enter the room. Right here, we have the wardrobe area with drawers below, in-room safe, and shelves right above. And right here, we have bedroom slippers below, bathrobes, hangers, storage area above, an iron, an ironing board, and a torchlight right there. Okay, so opposite the wardrobe area, we have the bathroom. And as we enter the bathroom, to the right we have the toilet. Right there we have the shower area. It is a dual setup, so you have the handheld shower as well as the rain shower. In the middle we have the mirror for the bathroom, hello, as well as the sink, the bin, towel, tissue paper, bottles of water, glasses, and all of your bathroom amenities right there. To the left of the bathroom, we have the bathtub with towels right above. You have a towel right there to put on the floor. And further inside the room, right there we have the fridge. It is empty, so you can put your own items in there. Here we have mugs, cups, tea and coffee making stuff, the kettle, power outlet, light switch, glasses, and more bottles of water. And you have mirrors on either sides of this area, so one there and one here. Hello. Okay, so here we have the bed. It is a very comfortable bed. On the left bedside table we have storage, light switches, power outlet, and a light right above. Here we have the climate control panel with a power outlet down below. And here we have storage together with a place to put your luggage, more storage surfaces, together with the TV remote, and some books right there with the room service menu. Right up here we have the sharp flat screen TV. Here we have the desk area with the desk chair, a power outlet as well as a couple of USB-A ports, another mirror, a message from the hotel. Now, one new addition that I realized is that compared to previous visits is that because of the renovation works that are going on in the hotel, they provide you with earplugs, which is actually a nice touch, I guess. Here we have the sofa-like thing with a table. And on the right bedside table, we have more storage spaces, writing materials, the in-room telephone, the clock, power outlet, light switches, and a light right above. In the corner right there, we have a power outlet And I can't show you much since it's nighttime right now, but you have the hotel's pool. You can see a bit of the highway that is behind the hotel and a skyline view of KL in the distance.